Hello everyone, this is Meera Fatima from Temris Kaitabad Girls 1 of grade 10. Today I am going to say you about formal letter writing. First of all, let us know what is letter writing and what is the importance of letter writing and how letter writing is useful. A letter is a written piece of communication serving a purpose of writer. A letter is usually written with the purpose to either provide information, convey a message, request for a task to be done, or to report about a situation. Over the years, letter writing has also been an intimate part of the people's life. In the ancient times, people used to communicate each other by sending letters. Letters played an important role at that time. Not only letters were used to be sent at the far distant places, but also for nearby places. When the letters were written in the ancient times, love and affection can be seen in the letter, and their emotions will also be present in the letter. But as the generation has been changing and technology has been increasing by the time, letters became less important and people started to communicate each other with mobile phones, computers and so on with the help of SMS and email, etc. We all know that letters are of two types. That means there are two types of letters. One is formal letter and another one is informal letter. Informal letter is nothing but informal letters are written to friends and relatives for personal communication and uses a casual or an emotional tone. Now let us move on to formal letter writing, which is our main topic. The primary purpose of formal letters are to inform, instruct, request, inquire, remit, order, advise, correct, and to question. Now let us see what is formal letter. A formal letter is one written in a formal and ceremonious language and follows a certain stipulated format. Such letters are written for official purposes to authorities, dignitaries, colleagues, seniors, etc., and not to personal contacts, friends, or family. Now we have types of formal letter. Formal letter can be a complaint letter, job application letter, reference letter, recommendation letter, resignation letter, thanking you letter, and interest letter. That means as per our interest. Now let us move on to the layout of formal letter, which means the format of formal letter. When we are writing a formal letter, we need to start from the left side of the page. Firstly, we should write name of the sender, address, date. Then to address, that is to name of the recipient, designation, company name and address. This all should be written in a sequential order on the left side. Now secondly, we should write salutation, that is respected sir or madam. Then subject, then we should start the body of the letter. The body of the letter, write 2 or 3 paragraphs including the reason behind the letter. We should make sure to keep the letter concise without dragging it too much. In the body of the letter, lastly, we should write thank you for your consideration, waiting for your response as an ending sentence. Follow the left side of the page and write yours sincerely, name and your signature. So one thing we should follow in this is that this all should come in the sequential order in the left side of the page. So this was the format of formal letter writing or the layout of formal letter writing. Now let us move further and take a sample one question as to solve this to get formal letter writing. To know formal letter writing. So the question is, letter to the editor on social problems. Imagine yourself Shilpa as a member of NGO Sargam. Write a letter to the editor for a public campaign to clean the Yamuna river. Let's solve this sample question. As we have seen the format of the formal letter, by following that format, we should start the letter. The image is seen on the screen. screen is the solution for the question. Is 26 Madanpur Khadar, New Delhi 76, and date is 25 July 2018. To the editor, Hindustan Times, New Delhi. Now we should write the subject, that is need for a public campaign to clean the Yamuna river. Make sure that subject is not long too much and it should be short. So now salutation, that is respect or dear editor, or we can also write respected sir or madam. Now let's start the body of letter, that is I am Shilpa S, a member of NGO Sargam. I am writing it to you in order to highlight the declining situation of the river Yamuna. This was the introduction part of the paragraph in the body of the letter. Now second paragraph we should write the main topic of the letter, that is the reason why we are writing the letter. So that is the city of Delhi is getting polluted water from the Yamuna river. The residents are being blamed for this. They pollute the river with dirt and garbage. The river water is filled with waste materials like plastic, bacteria and chemicals. It is not good in condition for consumption. The public has been trying for a water treatment plant. Still the authorities have not responded to the continual requests. Now we should write the conclusion paragraph of the body of the letter or ending sentence, that is as therefore you to highlight the issue in your newspaper and generate public interest, we all have to come forward to set up this plant in the area. Now thanking you, yours sincerely, Shilpa S, member of Sargam. Geo. Now let us see some more examples and try to solve the questions based on the format of formal letter writing. So let's start. Letter to the editor about road problems. And the question is, you are XYZ studying in the public school of Mumbai. The road leading to your school is full of potholes and also congested. Most of the working class people are staying in this locality. They are very often stuck in the traffic jams. The government has not taken any action till now for road construction. Write a letter to the editor of the Times of India drawing the attention of the government to the issue faced by the people, requesting them for the road construction. In this question, we understood that as an XYZ, we should write a letter to the editor about the problems facing by the people when there is not proper road in the locality. So let's start the solution for this. That is, we should write this in formal letter. So let's start. So this is the letter. That is street number 10, Gandhinagar, Hyderabad. This is also known as sender's address. Then comes the date, that is 25th April 2021. And then comes the editor, the Times of India, Hyderabad, which is also known as the receiver's address. Now we should write subject, that is construction of road in Gandhinagar. Let us write with the salutation, that is respected sir. Now let us start the body of letter. I am XYZ, a resident of Gandhinagar. I am writing to you in order to raise the issue people face in my locality due to the bad condition of road. So this is also known as the first paragraph, which is introduction. Now let us go with the continuation. The road leading to public school is so congested throughout the day. It is the main road, but there are potholes everywhere on the road. Mainly during morning hours, people are facing horrible situations when they are going to their workplaces. A public school is also situated on this road. So school students and parents get irritated as they are stuck here very often in traffic jams. These locality people made many representations to the government, but no action has been taken so far to improve the bad condition of the road. That is why through this letter we want to draw the attention of the government. So this is the second paragraph as our main topic or the main content given in the letter. Now let us move further. As the situation is not good, I request you to highlight it through your newspaper so that the government will take some action to improve the road condition. So this was the third paragraph, that is conclusion line or an ending sentence also we can say. So let us end the letter by thanking you. Yours sincerely, XYZ. So this was the formal letter writing, one of the example. Now let us go on to the second example of formal letter writing. So the second question is, you are fond of reading and like to visit the public library. However, your coaching timings clash with the timings of the library. Write a letter to the librarian requesting him or her to extend the timings of the library. First mention, say why you choose the library, and second, how will you benefit from change of time. So now let us write the answer for this question, that is formal letter writing. And that is, first we should write sender's address, that is B168 Preet Vihar, Delhi 110094, and next date, that is 25th April 2021. Next to address or the receiver's address, that is to the head librarian, Delhi Public Library, Bahadur Shah Zafar Marg, Delhi, and pin code. Now comes the subject. Now subject is request for extending the timings of the public library. Now salutation, respected sir. Let us start the body of letter, that is I, XX, in the place of X you can write your name. Is deeply interested in reading and often come to public library to make my time more productive. However, the library closes at 5:30 p.m. and this usually clashes with my coaching timings that happens to be on alternate days. I request you to extend the timing of the library from 5:30 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. as it would help many of us who are not able to benefit from the library due to the early closure time. I would appreciate if you could consider the time extension of the library. So this was the body of the letter. The first was introduction, then was main content of the letter, then was conclusion or ending sentence or closing sentence of the in the letter. Now thanking you, yours sincerely, XXS, or your name in place of XX. So this was how to write a formal letter and formal letter writing. Thank you everyone.